What's the meaning of Brompton Oratory? Brompton Oratory. Brompton Oratory.
Brompton Oratory. Brompton Oratory. Brompton Oratory is a well-known landmark in London, England. The term oratory refers to a type of Catholic church that is run by an order of priests known as the Congregation of the Oratory. The Brompton Oratory was built in the 19th century and is known for its stunning architecture and ornate design, including beautiful stained glass windows and intricate mosaics. It serves as both a place of worship and a cultural destination for visitors to London. The Brompton Oratory is considered an iconic example of Victorian-era architecture and continues to be an important site for the Catholic community in London.